We start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, when the price was within this move, we mentioned if we get any reversal, we can look for buy. Anyway, there was no trade setup for buy or reversal. There was a correction here and the price dropped. As we can see, the price haven't retested the break the previous low. That's why we cannot refer to the indicators. Okay, but the best thing is if this one drops some more with the breakout of this low, then from there we look for reversal. But for me, it doesn't mean we have to. I have to wait for the price to break the previous low because of this shadow. That's mean if I see any reversal from now for buy, I will take the trade. Anyway, first, we move to daily chart. We want to see what we have based on daily chart. As we mentioned, we can expect the price to consolidate here. That's why we get one more drop. Okay, that's mean we can expect this one price drop some more, and we get the bigger correction before we get the reversal. That's why any trade, even if mostly, I mean any trade, if especially for buy, we consider as a short term. And if I move to forward chart, and based on forward chart, still we can expect the price drop some more and even retest the previous low, but we cannot look for sell unless this one turns to deeper correction. Then from there we can see whether, I mean, we need to consider whether we should look for sell or not. But for me, I will prefer to look for buy. That means if I get any reversal, this is what I'm looking for. That means I prefer to wait to look for reversal for buy. Anyway, the best thing is we move to 1 hour chart, and as we mentioned, if we get any trade setup for buy as a reversal, we will take it, and having entry above this can be an option in case the price sharply reverse from here. But we should know we are looking for the reversal as a sharp, at least similar to what we get here, not the corrective. Because if the price uh, reverse as a corrective move, mostly this is what it can give us a confirmation for continuation. And even if the price retests this top, it turns to a flat. Since we had this sharp move, can give us a confirmation for continuation. But later, if we get this moves, we can explain about that. Especially if we want to look for sell, we should look for the deeper correction. But how about if the price drop continue from here? Mostly we can trade based on the short move flag, or especially based on lower time frame, which we are not. I'm not really interested into it. That's why I mentioned if we get any reversal, this is what we are looking for. All right, that's mean we wait, we get the reversal, then this is what we take. We're looking for, and in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us better trade setup. By the way, having entry above this correction can be an option, but what we want in case the price reverse sharply without giving us a trade setup, at least we can get the trade. But as I mentioned, what we want the price sharply reverse. If the price tag, this is not moving within the first or second hours, we take out the trade. That's why it's really risky to have entry above this. It depends on the traders whether they have entry above this or not, because simply the price can tag and drop. That means this one tend to be a correction, because earlier I mentioned about that. Anyway, what we are looking for, we are more interested to look for reversal for buy, but it doesn't mean the price cannot drop somewhat. Even the price can drop, and any trade for sell will be short-term trade. But for me, I'm not going to add the short-term trade for sell in this analysis. Right now, in this analysis, we're looking for reversal buy if we get the trade. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade setup, I will share. Thanks.